After the bitter disappointment of discovering the shifter handle I was given was in fact incorrect for my car, it's supposed to go into a first version W124, and mine naturally requires the update version, which has a different bend in the shaft. So I decided to try and recolor my original shifter handle. As you can see here, it's quite badly scratched from someone wearing excessive finger jewellery or picking at it while they're driving. So the first step is to in fact clean it. This is not cleaned yet, and this is after the cleaning process. Quite a lot of filth did come off. No doubt some of the colour did as well. I'm not going to mention what I used to clean it with because it's probably not recommended, but I'm sure you can find something suitable. I didn't have much hope for these deep scratches getting covered up, but this is the first application of the leather restorer. As you can see, if the leather's in pretty good condition, it does a damn fine job of recoloring it. Unfortunately, as expected, these gouges are quite clearly still visible. Not to be deterred, I decided to try a second application after it had dried. This is after a second application. It's starting to level off those deep gouges in the top. No doubt, if you spent enough time on this, you could probably get it looking pretty good, but you'd also lose all of the texture of the original leather, no doubt. But I'm happy with this nonetheless. It's a major improvement compared to what it was, and you have to look pretty close to even see the scratches now.